My name's Emma Russ. I'm an IT technician for a company called Arran Isle Holdings Limited. I was working in sales when Focus was first implemented in the company, and the reason was it was trying to find opportunities, getting all of the data together in one database so we could look at what items were selling and what items weren't selling. Business data is vital in our day-to-day operations. People don't use paper anymore. They don't use pen. There's no addresses written down. It is all data on systems. I used to lead the team, so I would run off reports at Focus where customers hadn't spent, customers that weren't buying products, customers that weren't buying products that suited each other. So if they were buying a letterbox, why weren't they buying the door handle? And Focus helped us to do that quite easily. And I could give that information to the team for them to go out and make phone calls to win business back. Using Focus makes me feel like I'm being proactive.